G'day, I'm Andrew. I'm going to show you how to import different fonts into Vectric Aspire software. The best place I've found that has multiple fonts with commercial licensing is Creative Fabrica. Look for True Type Font, TTF or OTF Open Type fonts. They have hundreds and thousands of fonts to choose from. The link's in the description below if you're interested. I'll simply download the font, find where I downloaded it, and from there extract all the fonts into one file. I simply copy them all, and the next step is to go to your C drive, find your Windows, go down to Fonts, simply paste them into your Windows Fonts folder, as Vectric Aspire shares the fonts with your standard Windows fonts. The next step is to open the file you're working on. I've currently got a clock face that I'm working on. And I pick this word here, go to the T for text. If you click this box, all your fonts you just pasted should all be located in here now. A simple trick, you click on the box once, click on a font, then go down the list, and it will show you in live time that the changes of the different fonts to select one that you like. Now keep in mind that I'm going to be using a V-bit, so try and find a font that can be cut with a standard V-bit, 90 degree, 60 degree, whichever V-bit you have. Now simply head over to toolpaths, do the drilling toolpath first. It's a 3mm hole in the middle of the clock face, and from there will be the first V-carve, which will be the letters. The next V-carve. The problem with V-carving with Aspire is if you unclick this box, you leave it up to Aspire to automatically calculate the depth, which can cause problems, can cause the machine to plunge into your material and wreck your material. I've had this problem before, so I always leave this box ticked when I do V-carving, and this way I control the depth of cut, and there's nothing stopping you from doing 1mm at a time, or 2mm, 3mm to get your desired look that you're after. It's just a matter of repeating the process with the numbers and the letters, and I always try to use a cheap bit of timber first before I use the final result on a nice piece of timber, because the last thing you want to do is wreck the good piece of timber you have for your job. Now this clock face file is available in the description below if you're interested. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you figure out how to import all the different fonts into Aspire. Don't forget to like or subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye now.